Introduction to Adobe Photoshop CS5.
This is the Photoshop CS5 workspace. Application bar, menu bar, options bar, tools panel, Adobe Bridge button, mini bridge button, workspace menu, panels board. I'm going to open a picture, or even better, just drag a pictures in here, like this. I can't move anything right now unless I double click the button. Now I can move it now, as you can see. This is my vector mask. This is irresistible button once you just put the picture in here. This is your new canvas. This is the rectangular marquee tool. Obviously, you can make something like rectangular. What can you do with rectangular marquee tool? Let's choose area for example. I will go on an effects bar, blending options. You can do awesome stuff. You can do stroke, pattern overlay. You could do a gradient overlay or color overlay. Now, some people will just get the area right over here. You will just need to make a copy of this one. You go click duplicate and then click OK. This is the lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. What this do is select something you wanted so. I preferred for magnetic lasso tool. What this do select something actually like so. Example, I want to select this guy body, but I don't want to select the ocean. I just click this magnetic lasso tool, and without ever clicking, I will just drag the mouse, and it will automatically pinpoint different code of the body. It will just select the entire body. And now I can do anything like this. I can move on the picture, for example, you see. And I'm gonna select this right now.
Crop tool, slice tool, slice select tool. The crop tool is honestly, it's like removing part of the image or just cutting out a small rectangular of the image or whatever part of the photo you don't want. Select that and you will apply and then go to the crop image, and that it will look like. The eyedropper tool will select the color of whatever your eyedropper is on. Example, I want the black hair, I'll go over there. If I want the red shorts, I'll go over there. Or if I want her black shirt, I'll go over there. This is a very useful tool because there will be many times when you want to switch colors while painting to a color already on your canvas.
Burn tool. As you can see, you can burn something like this. Sharpen tool. It increases contrast in the areas where you paint. Sharpening enhances the definition of edges in an image. As you can see, that's the effect of the sharp tool. This is the blur tool, obviously used to create a blur effect. It lowers the contrast between affected pixels. This is the gradient tool. You will pick a gradient. See, you could change it. The eraser tool is basically brush erases pixels as you drag it across the image. Pixels are erased to transparency or the background color if the layer is slack. What we're gonna do with this picture is we're going to be using the clone stamp tool. Now, what this does? For this tool, click area in the picture, then hold Alt key. You see this girl in the picture? Let's say we don't want her in this picture. We want her kinda make her to disappear. Now, how can we do that? First of all, we need to look at the layers in between. For example, her head. Her head is same angle with that ocean. So, if we hold Alt key, then click at the ocean, and then click on her head. Slowly, it will take her head away. Like this sample. See, her head is gone now. And it looks like realistic. Do the same for her body. Click over here, click over here. There we go. Same thing for her shadow. Click over here, click over here. Now, it looks like she's out of the picture. It looks like she's not even there. I'm going to compare the two pictures now. Look at the body here and look at the same picture that we Photoshop. The girl's body is gone now.
Now, this is the pen tool, same as the magnetic lasso, and you could just select it and just selects the body. This is now you click, make a selection, selects the body. This the text tool. I'm not really gonna go around this that much. You know how to use it. You put it here and type in there. This is the path selection tool, and this is the rectangular tool and polygon tool to give you more of a classic and detailed structure. That is pretty much sounds enough for these tools, guys. This is also the zoom tool and the zoom out tool. You could also use the plus button and the minus button on the key to the upward. There it go. Minus and plus. And that's all for now. I'm Ava Maybe Andrade.
And I'm Adeline Flor Gayendaro.
And I'm James Anthony Nonat, the editor.
We hope that you've learned something from our Adobe Photoshop basic video tutorial.
Thank you for watching!